Welcome to the Aerial Coroverge Installation Guide. Coroverge is a mortar-free dry verge system which acts as a closure on the roof verge of houses, garages and porches to protect tiles from wind uplift, pest infestation and weather degradation in accordance with BS 5534. The Coroverge system has a number of design features that make it a more superior dry verge solution for both new build and renovation projects. The temporary true line guide in the starter piece ensures it is correctly lined up with the tiles, guaranteeing perfect alignment on the roof. A cutout area in the starter piece provides the flexibility to work around existing gutters. The verge sections are not-handed and fit both the left-hand and right-hand sides of the roof verge for ease of installation. An inbuilt drip strip allows rainwater to run off the verge, avoiding wall staining and potential damp. The True Connect locators fit the true mount, allowing adjustable positioning of the verge sections to suit various tile gauges. There are flex points on the ridge cap to allow for differing roof angles, and a choice of angled and half-round options to suit the ridge style. Manufactured from modern plastic materials, Coroverge is very quick and easy to install. Step 1. Preparation. For a typical roof installation, you'll require the following Coroverge components. Make sure you have the correct tools for the job before starting. Step 2. Batten Clips. First, place the batten clip over the end of the tile batten so that the slot is centered and nail the clip to the batten. Step 3. Starter piece. Insert the starter piece in the verge section. Place the starter and verge onto the first tile and position on the fascia board. Screw into place through the temporary true line guide. Remove the verge section and screw the starter piece permanently into position on the fascia board. Unscrew and snap off the true line guide. Step 4. Verge sections. Replace the verge section on the starter piece and slide into the locked position. Nail the front of the verge section to the tile batten through the slot in the batten clip. Next, slide on the next verge section so that the True Connect locators engage the true mount and slide the verge up to meet the end of the next tile. Nail the verge into position as before and repeat until the verge sections reach the ridge tile. Step 5. Ridge piece. Once the dry verge has been fully installed to both sides of the roof, place the ridge cap over the ridge and final verge sections. The flex point in the ridge cap accommodate differing angles. Screw the ridge cap to the fascia board. Combining strength and resilience with an attractive finish, the Coroverge Dry Verge system is also available in a selection of popular colours depending on the application. For more information, please visit our website or email us at info@aerialplastics.com.